Althea's the baby. I have to say, this is an old story, but when Althea was born, you know, they held her up and said, "Now, Mrs. Lowe, this is nothing to worry about." They held her up, and she had 6 fingers in each hand. She was born with 6 fingers on each hand. It says so in her birth certificate. But the little finger was a piece of cartilage that looked like a little finger, but they tied it off with the umbilical cord. So she thinks she's really special. She is. Okay, Althea started her working career in the Sheriff's Department as 911. You know, she's the dispatcher, 911. And I wasn't going to tell this, but I want to tell it. When years and years ago, when she was there was a fire in the Bartouche, and those of you who are old enough will remember it. And she talked those people out of that too. And when the firemen came to our house one time for a call because my husband had passed out, and Althea was there, and they heard her speak. And she said, and they said, "You're the person who saved all these lives." And so I'm very proud of that. She never got the recognition at work. You know, it was just another day. So, but it wasn't another day, you know, for the people that were in that part too. But she's gone on and with Alameda County in the court system. Okay, those are here from the courts. The courts, here we go. They work together, and she went on in Alameda County Court, first as a clerk and then as an administrator, and now she works for the Northern California Judicial Council, and she's broke ground there as an African American. Pardon?
It's the state of California.
State of California. Okay, Judicial Council, and she broke ground there too because she's one of the only black people in that echelon that she works. So I'm very proud of my children, and I want to talk about Gwen.